Customizing your company settings in QuickBooks Online is an essential step in tailoring the software to meet the specific needs of your business. From setting up your company's financial details to configuring sales forms and email templates, QuickBooks allows you to create a personalized experience that aligns with your business operations. In this guide, we'll walk through the key areas of company settings that you can customize, ensuring that your QuickBooks account is set up for success. To begin customizing your company settings, click the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the QuickBooks dashboard. Under the Your Company section, click Account and Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your QuickBooks account. Step 2 is customizing the Company tab. The first tab in the Account and Settings menu is the Company tab, where you can configure the basic information about your business. This includes the company name, where you enter your business's legal name and, if applicable, the name you want to appear on sales forms and reports. This ensures that your business name is consistent across all documentation. Next up is the company type. You can select your business structure, such as a sole proprietorship or corporation. This setting affects how QuickBooks handles tax-related features and reports. You can update your company's phone number, email address, and website URL in the contact information. This information will appear on your sales forms, so it's important to keep it accurate and up to date. In the company address, you can enter your company's physical address and mailing address if they differ. This address will be used for tax purposes and will appear on invoices and other documents. If your legal address differs from your company's main address, make sure to enter it in the legal address section. This is especially important for regulatory compliance and tax filings. In the Communication Preferences section, you can set your preferences for how QuickBooks communicates with you, including marketing materials, product updates, and more. Step 3 is configuring the Sales tab. The Sales tab allows you to customize how you manage sales transactions, from invoicing to receipts. Here's what you can configure. The sales form content. You can decide what information appears on your invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. You can choose to display or hide fields such as discount, shipping, or custom transaction numbers. This flexibility ensures that your sales forms contain all the necessary details without overwhelming your customers. You can add custom fields to your sales forms to capture additional information that's specific to your business. For example, you might add a field for customer PO number or job reference. If you prefer to assign your own numbering system to invoices and other transactions, you can enable the Custom Transaction Numbers feature. This is useful if you have an existing numbering system that you want to continue using. You can set the default payment terms for your invoices and bills, such as net 30 or due on receipt. This helps ensure that your payment expectations are clear to your customers. In the Email Options section, you can customize the default email message that accompanies your invoices, estimates, and other sales forms. You can personalize the subject line and body of the email, making your communications more engaging and aligned with your brand voice. You can set default messages for different types of sales forms as well. For example, you might want a specific message to appear on all your invoices, such as "Thank you for your business" or "Payment due within 30 days." You can customize how customer statements are generated and what information they include. You can choose to display all open transactions or just those within a specific date range. Now, let's go through the Expenses tab. This tab allows you to configure how you manage and track your business expenses in QuickBooks Online. Show Items table on expense and purchase forms. If your business tracks inventory or needs detailed expense tracking, you can enable the Show Items table on expense and purchase forms to add an item table to your expense and purchase forms. You can enable the show billing expenses and items as income option if you want to track billable expenses and items separately, allowing you to pass these costs on to your customers. If you need to allocate specific expenses to individual customers, the Track Expenses and Items by Customer feature lets you assign costs to customer profiles, making it easier to track and bill for reimbursable expenses. Set the default payment terms for your bills, such as net 15 or due on receipt. This helps you manage your cash flow by ensuring that your bill payment terms are consistent. If your business uses purchase orders, you can enable and customize the purchase orders feature here. You can add custom fields, choose what information appears on the purchase order, and set default purchase order numbers. Let's walk through the Payments tab now. This tab is where you can configure how you accept payments from customers in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online integrates with several payment processors, allowing you to accept credit card payments and bank transfers directly through your invoices. You can enable online payments to make it easier for customers to pay you, which can improve your cash flow. Set the default payment method that appears on your invoices and sales receipts. This is the preferred payment method. This could be credit card, bank transfer, or another method, depending on how you prefer to receive payments. If you require deposits or retainers for a certain type of work, you can customize how these are handled and tracked in QuickBooks. Always enable online payments to offer customers more payment options, which can lead to faster payments. Also, it's advisable to clearly communicate your preferred payment methods on invoices to avoid confusion. You can also use deposits and retainers to secure payments upfront for large or ongoing projects. The Advanced tab contains more detailed settings that allow you to fine-tune your QuickBooks Online account to match your business's specific needs. In the Accounting Preferences section, you can choose your accounting method, be it cash or accrual, and set your fiscal year start date. These settings are crucial for ensuring that your financial reports are accurate and aligned with your business's accounting practices. Enable tracking by class or location if your business needs to segment financial data by department, product line, or physical location. QuickBooks can automate certain tasks such as pre-filling forms with previously entered information or automatically applying bill payments. You can configure these automation settings based on how much automation you want in your accounting processes. You can also enable the Projects feature if your business tracks income and expenses by project. This feature provides a dedicated workspace for managing project finances, making it easier to track profitability and manage budgets. If your business bills clients by the hour or needs to track employee time, enable the Time Tracking feature. This integrates with your payroll and invoicing, streamlining the process of billing for time worked. Customizing your company settings in QuickBooks Online is a critical step in making sure that the software works for your business, not the other way around. By tailoring these settings to fit your specific needs, you can streamline your accounting practices, improve the professionalism of your customer interactions, and ensure that your financial data is accurate and compliant with regulations.